Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you for the last 15 days of December. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies, energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do different readings and these. The name of the page is the same as the channel Surabhi's Tarot. Link is given in the description box below. So let's see what's there for Leos. Okay, so we have the Ten of Wands, Ace of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, Four of Wands, Six of Cups, okay, Two of Pentacles, Two of Swords, Queen of Wands, Four of Pentacles, okay. No, it's not proceeding. Seven of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, Ace of Swords, the Moon, the Knight of Cups, Page of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, okay, the Wheel of Fortune. So let's see what are the messages from this deck. What's the message from this deck for Leos? Okay, we have the King of Spades, guidance from the angels for Leos. Healer of action, okay. Okay, so Leos, we have the Ten of Wands, the Ace of Wands, and the Seven of Pentacles. See, what I feel here is you want a new beginning for yourself, or you are entering into a phase of a new beginning in your life. And with the Ten of Wands, you are actually wanting to unburden yourself, and you are unburdening yourself. So it is a transient phase in which the opportunity or a new option or a new person or a new opportunity, you were always looking for one, and now that time has come. Okay, so with the Ten of Wands, you are unburdening from a situation, whatever you were carrying, whatever this responsibility was, whatever the situation was which was making you feel burdened, is ending, and you are getting that opportunity or that person or that new beginning in whatever sphere of your life you were looking for. And one more thing which I'm getting is that you were so busy carrying these responsibilities and whatever this was with the Ten of Wands, whatever this burden was for you, that you were not even able to see beyond that. So you were too engrossed in whatever it was that you were not even able to think about yourself. You were not able to think beyond that. Okay, what I am getting here is this is what you want. I really don't know you are getting it or not. We will see as it shapes up, because the vibe which I am getting here is it is that you are really yearning for a new opportunity for yourself, as a new life. You want to unburden yourself. And here with the Seven of Pentacles again, because that's what I'm getting saying. Maybe you are not, maybe some of you are getting that opportunity, or at least you have an eye on it, or you have a desire for it, so you know that is what you want. Maybe that, or maybe some of you are actually getting it, maybe that also. But what I feel is it can be as simple as the fact that it is in your head, you want it, and you want it though, but you are so engrossed and so much into the responsibilities or the burden, whatever it is, that you are not able to look beyond that. And here with the Seven of Pentacles, you have put in the effort, you've put in the struggle, you've really invested in it, and you are just looking back at as to, this is how much I have put in, this is how much effort I have put in into it. So you are just looking back, thinking as to how things can be done, how things can be uh, changed, sort of, because actually your heart's desire is this Ace of Wands. This is what you want. You actually want to unburden yourself. Okay, so you are reviewing and contemplating as to how this can be done. That is what I feel, because this is your heart's desire. And here what I feel is, we have the Four of Wands, the Six of Cups, and the Two of Pentacles, and the Two of Swords also. Maybe are you reviewing and re-evaluating about a reunion? Are you trying to make up your mind regarding some sort of a reconciliation? Some sort of a, with the Four of Wands, you are trying to review and you're trying to make a decision regarding somebody either you already know from the past, maybe, or maybe you want those happy times, something like that. Here we have the Four of Wands, so you're definitely looking in from for a commitment. So you're trying to make up your mind regarding a commitment and a family and a relationship over here, and that is what you need to decide. And this may be the person from the past, can be that, or it just may be that you feel that you are so busy doing the hard work, you are so busy carrying these responsibilities, that you want these happy times once more in your life, you are not getting them. Okay, and that is what you are deciding as to, how should I move ahead, what should I do? This is what you are deciding. Or maybe you are even deciding, should I really leave these responsibilities? Should I really show my emotions or not? Should I move ahead in that direction or not? It's something like that, that there is some sort of a decision which is being made here with the Two of Swords and the Two of Pentacles. There is a hell lot of a decision time being made for some sort of a commitment, which may be with the person from the past, or just the old fond memories you want to recreate in your life, whatever it is. But definitely it is a relationship over here regarding which you are trying to make up your mind. Okay, and that is what is here with the Ace of Wands. This is what the thing is which you are trying to make up your mind here. Here we have the Queen of Wands, the Four of Pentacles, the Seven of Wands, the Nine of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, and the Ace of Swords. So what I feel here is, see, one more thing which I'm getting, I don't know. It can be that you are so busy with these responsibilities that you are not able to focus on the happy times, or focus on the emotional aspects. Perhaps it's like somebody is too busy with the work that they are not able to spend time together. It can be that also for some of you, but for most of you, I think it is a decision which needs to be taken regarding a getting back together with a person whom perhaps you know from the past. Okay, so this is a decision which is being made over here. It's a really tough decision for some reason. And here we have the Queen of Wands and the Four of Pentacles. So I don't really see anybody opening up over here. Nobody is opening up over here with the Queen of Wands and the Four of Pentacles, Seven of Wands. Following it is the Nine of Pentacles. So what I feel is, I don't see you moving forward actually. That is what it is. I don't think that you are opening up. I don't think you are making any move or action. I really don't see you opening up. Though maybe it is a very tough decision to leave these responsibilities and going back to the same person. Maybe it's very tough. I really don't know what it is. Why is it so tough that you are really not opening up? That's what I feel. You choose not to open up for some reason, whatever this reason is. With the Seven of Wands and the Nine of Pentacles, we have so definitely you are not opening up. I really don't see you opening up over here. Though it is a struggle, but you are focusing on yourself. You are focusing on yourself. You are in your own power. I really don't know for what is the reason. Somebody here is not opening up. It can be them, but definitely somebody here is not opening up. And somebody here is struggling. With the Seven of Wands, it can be that that person is not opening up and is totally closed off, because what I feel here is that somebody here is really powerful, in the sense that this person is very attractive and all that stuff, and very empowered. This person is happy, it doesn't really have any problem being alone. Okay, and this person is content being alone. That is the vibe of this person. This person is not ready to budge. Perhaps then it's you then who is trying to take a decision as to should I, shouldn't I, and this is the struggle which is going on over here. That is what I feel. Somebody here is not opening up, and for the other person it is a struggle to take a decision as to what should I do, because maybe this person, whosoever this other person is, maybe this person is status wise superior, maybe this person is dominating, maybe this person is very this person, maybe there is some sort of ego also with this person. That is the not dominating the word was ego. Maybe this person has some ego also. This person is self-confident, not much affected, I should say, being single, and they are closed off. And it is a struggle for the other person, perhaps, since maybe it is a struggle for the person who is carrying this burden and who is trying to take a decision. That's what I'm saying. Okay, and here we have the Knight of Swords and the Ace of Swords. So following it is the Moon, the Knight of Cups, the Page of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, and the Wheel of Fortune. So what I feel here is that this person is definitely not making a move. The other person is struggling. Should I not, type of a thing. And then suddenly we have the Knight of Swords and the Ace of Swords. So what I feel here is that this is the energy of somebody who ultimately decides to rush in very, very fast. Okay, that is what it is. This person, the path ahead is not very clear also. But the thing is, it is just an impulsive move perhaps, because this person just feels that no, I need to go and get it, type of a thing. The path ahead may not be that clear, but yes, this person decides to open up. Maybe it's you, because the other person isn't opening up actually. So maybe that is because you were taking a decision. Maybe you get that clarity of thought that no, I really need to make a move. The thing is not clear. Maybe I'll go and talk to the person, I'll clear the air, and I'll whatever the thing is stopping you and causing you in this indecisive mode that it was a hell of a time making a move, that you were trying to take a decision as to should I not. Then maybe you just decide, okay, I'll just go and talk to this person, I'll communicate, and whatever is not clear will be clear. Can be that. And here with the Knight of Cups, the Page of Pentacles, Seven of Cups, and the Wheel of Fortune. So what I feel here is definitely somebody is making a move. Things are not very clear, but with the Knight of Cups and the Page of Pentacles, I think things are slowly progressing forward. With the Seven of Cups and the Wheel of Fortune here, what I feel is somebody is opening up a new dimensions in their life, new options in their life. So it's looking positive. Things start moving positively forward when you have many options, many opportunities. Rather, what I am seeing this card is a lot of wealth, sort of a thing. So it's happiness. To me, it's looking not like a confusion. It's looking like you have many happinesses, sort of a thing. When you things start moving ahead, sort of a thing, which I'm getting. Okay, so somebody here is going to clear the air because this person is just not making a move. So this is the person who was trying to make a decision, finally makes a decision to go. I'll talk to that person, I'll clear the air as to what it is, the mystery will be solved, and that is what is leading to small steps forward and opening up new options, new ideas as to how to make things move. And with the Wheel of Fortune, I think this person is happy with the way things are shaping up now. Here we have the King of Spades. So this is talking about, again, it's like being in your own power, being strategic in your approach. Okay, the guidance from the angels, healer of action. It is a time when you can do whatever you set your mind to if your heart is open. You are being asked to do many things at once. You won't mind as long as you know you are making the difference. This card indicates someone who is loving, intelligent, passionate, and fun, which could definitely describe you. This person can handle difficult situations with grace. So obviously this is a difficult situation. You are handling it gracefully. You are doing what you feel is right for you, and you are actually able to make a move in a positive direction. I just hope it helps, Leos, and that's all I have for you. Let's meet in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.